Hi, good morning viewers. You are most welcome to this video lecture on this DLT. This is the last I think we will be going for this the KMAP. Previously we have given the sum of product and the product of sum using 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable, 5 variables. Both you solve the sum of product and product of sum. But here we are going for don't care. So this is a special case. If you observe here on the screen, if you observe here, there we are having, yeah. Stress this one. Just to select one color, yeah, we are selecting this color. So here you can observe we are having 4 variables. One is a, b and c, d, and this is a function of f, a, b, c, d. Here you can see it here, and the values are, and you can see it is purely sum of product. It is purely sum of product. Okay, is the thing. And because the thickness we can reduce, the thickness is a little more, don't worry for at this stage. So in this sum of product we are having 4 variables, that is a, b, c, d. a, b I have taken here, and c, d also I have taken it here, right? So in this way the values are 2, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 14. Okay, so you know the gray values, gray codes I am not writing it here. Gray codes you can put it here. For a, b, c, d, the value is equal to 2. Where is 2? I have written here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so these are the values I have given. Now I have given for at 2 it is 1. At 2, where is 2? At 2 here you can see, here it is at 2 it is 1, right? So then at 5 again it is 1. Here you can see at 5, here also it is 1. Then at 7 it is 1. You can see at 7 also it is 1. So like that we can go for at 8 also it is equal to 1. You can see it here at 8 it is equal to 1. Similarly at 10 also it is 1. You can see at 10 is equal to 1. And one more thing, that at 14 I think 12, 13, 14 and 15. 14 is not required, rather you need at 15 you need 1. Okay, so here make a correction. At 15 it is equal to 1. At 15 it is equal to 1, right? So these are the things it is there. But I want some don't care cases. You can check it here, the different colors. Thickness is not required, just make it more, make it little thick, make little thick. Okay, so I put another color here, right? So here if you see, we are going for the don't care means, you can see here it is a case of don't care, I have written x, and here also I have written a don't care, I have also written x. That means in sum of product you write 1, or in product of sum write 0. There is no difference for that one, right? So you can take, because according to it is not that somewhere, because suppose 1x is here available, there is no need. Suppose I say another x is available here, so suppose it is there, but it not necessary here. So that's why you cannot take this value of 1 here. I need the value here, it is 1. I need the value here, it is equal to 1, right? So in this case, so we will have the subcubes. So I am going for the different subcubes, right? So subcube I am writing. In the subcube 1 I am writing subcube 1. What is subcube 1? You can see here, if I am taking the value of x is equal to 1 here, if I am the value is equal to x1, so 1 1 1 1, it is a subcube, so I take it as subcube 1. So here if you check the value of ab, here ab is equal to 0 1, here it is 1 1. In this 0 1 1 1, this right side 1 is common. Right side, what is the right side 1 b? Right side 1 is equal to b, so can I take it b? So here it is b. Okay, and if you take these rows 0 1 and 1 1, then what is the common? Common is equal to this one, and this one is common. What is the value of 1? The 1 is equal to d. So now the subcube 1, the term becomes bd, right? It becomes bd. Now I am going for the subcube subcube number 2. In the subcube number 2, you can see in the green ink I have given here initially it is x, so I can take a value of 1 here. Initially I am taking it 1 because I am going for the sum of product. So here it is 1, here it is also 1, here also it is 1, and here also it is 1. Okay, so you can make it subcube. So in this four corner you can find what is the common here and here. What is the common here and here? You will find the last 0 and 0 are the common. What is 0? 0 is equal to b bar. So this is equal to b bar. Okay, then while we are going for this row and this row, what is the common? This is 0 0 and 1 0. 0 0 1 0 means the last 0 is common. Last 0 is common. When the last 0 is common, so it become complement of d. It become complement of d. Now the term becomes term is equal to bd plus complement of b and complement of d. So these are the things we can got. I am using the sum of the product. I am using the sum of the product, and here you can clearly understand for the sum of product we are using notation here, this one like this sum. Okay, when I go for this product of sum, suppose I go for product of sum. In case of product of sum, what will do? So I will be using the symbol like this one. Okay, that means your function will be reduced to f of a b c d, which is equal to, okay, then I take this by of what? It is 2 5 7, it is 8, it is 10, and it is 15. So let it be. Okay, so in this case, and we are having the don't care cases. What is the do not care cases? The do not care plus just write plus d. D stand for the do not care. Any notation you can take it. I am writing this one. So 0 13, it is 0 and comma 13. So these are the cases you can use it, and even if I have given 6 also, 0 13 and 6, these are the cases I am putting it here, right? So in these cases, because already in 6 I already put it here, this x here, right? So in this case, what we want to do, now the scenario changes, because in the product of sum, you remember in the sum of product we are using the main terms. In the sum of product, here I am writing it here. The sum of product I am using the main term. I am using main term. That means I am using only one here. Here I will be using max term. The product of sum I am using the max term. Here it is equal to 0. I will using 0. Okay. If you see the same thing, we can take it here, and we take one. We take one here, and we can go on cleaning this thing. So I clean all the things, then okay, then so these things you clean it, there is not a problem. So this you clean, just I'm cleaning, let me clean this and I will tell you all things, right? So in that case, x will be there, but in case of 1 it will be 0, because we are going for the product of sum. So I am overwriting here. I am writing, and you take 2 at 2 is equal to it should be 0. Where is 2? 0 1 2, here it is. So now I am writing here it is. So you take here 1, and but I am going for different colors, because already previous black color was there. So because you don't face a problem, I am writing this color. So here I am writing 0, here I am writing 0 for 2. Then I need add 5. Add 5, here also I am converting it to 0, right? Then I need add 7. Here also 7 also I am converting to 0. Alright. Then at 8, where is 8? Here 8. 8 also I am converting here into 0. Then at 10, again I am converting into 0. Okay, this is not looking good, so that is remove it, no problem. I will write it neatly, don't worry. Okay. So here we are writing 0, right? So these are the cases, and then also at 15 also it is 0. At 15 is equal to 0. So we are having the what are the don't care cases? Don't care case at x, here I will take it 0. At 0 it is I am taking it is 0. X care means I can take it 0. Similarly, here I don't need anything, and here I can take it 0. Here I can take it 0, right? So now you have a subcube in the orange color. You can see it here 0 0 0 0 1 subcube, and the corner all 0 you are having the subcube, right? So only things will be changed here while you are going for POS. So here it will not be AB, it will be A plus B. Here it will be A plus B, and here it will not be CD, it will be C plus D. It will be C plus D, right? And one notation is there where it was in SOP, suppose I am going for AB, when it is 0 it is complement of A, and when it is 1 it is A. Same is the case of B, it is complement of B and it is only B, right? That was the SOP. But in case of POS it is different. In case of POS, when it is 0 it will be A or B, and when it is 1 it is complement of A or complement of B. These are the only things you have to remember, right? So now this I am going for this POS. So now I will have the two subcube. I go for the subcube 1, then I go for the subcube 2, and then I go for the final term, right? Now subcube 1, you know what is the subcube 1? All these fours, 1 2 3 4, this is forming a subcube 1. So in this subcube 1, what is the common here? The common here you can find, right hand side already put a tick mark here. This 1 1 is common. What is 1 1? 1 1 means it should be the notation only for B, not for A. So B means what? Here if it is 1 in case of POS, then it will be complement of B, complement of A or complement of B. Okay, so can I write complement of B? So this one, it is complement of B, it is coming complement of B. In the sum of product we are multiplying, but here we will go for the plus addition, right? And then in these two rows, here and here, this row and this row, you will find the right hand side 1 is common. What is 1? 1 is supposed to be D, and it will be complement of D. Can I write? So complement of B plus complement of D. So now the subcube 1 is over. Then we are going for the subcube 2. What is the subcube 2? All these corners you can 0 position, 2 position, then 8 position and 10 position. This is the subcube 2. It is forming the subcube 2. Then if you find the common between this column with 0 0 and this column with 1 0, the last 0 is common. What is 0? 0 should be B. Okay, if it the 0, then it will be B, and if it is 1 it will be complement of B. Because it is 0, then I can write it is B. Subcube 2, it is coming, it is B. Okay, then you put a plus sign, and if you take compare this row and this row, then you will find the last 0 is common. What is 0? Because it is 0 0 and 1 0, so last 0 is common, so 0 is D. Okay, B plus D. Can you see it here? So this is the thing. So if I go for the final term, it will be, because it is product of sum, so B bar plus complement of B plus complement of D into into B plus D. Got it now? So this is the case what you are using for our don't care, you can expand this program. So adding some more function, I am assigning to you, all of you, you can in our extension of these things, you can go for here also you can take some value, and here you can take some value, you can add it, and you will have a different program, and you can go for this. That means a minimum program I wanted to solve using the sum of product and the product of sum, and also the don't care. Okay, so if you like this video, please do share with your friends, and if you want some more program on that one, please comment, and also subscribe this channel. If you want more example on these things, or some more different type of problem on these things, please send your comment. Definitely I will take care of that one. And otherwise, with this, we have completed the sum of product, the product of sum, that is 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable, 5 variable, and here the case of the don't care. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please take care of your health. Have a good day. Thank you.